Hello guys, so welcome back to my channel and welcome back here in Offshore Life. So start ng day's work natin, that's starting from 12 noon until 12 midnight. So we are proceeding down to the mess room para kakain muna tayo ng tanghalian natin. So yung first meal ko for the day is the lunch, and after that ay proceeding tayo sa may bridge. So napakita ko lang po sa inyo, pababa tayo ngayon dyan sa may mess room natin. So yun po yung yung alleyway natin, at makikita po ninyo ay every landing may mga decoration or may mga nakapost na mga signages and some other very informative signs na mababasa nyo on your way down to the mess room. So galing sa may deck ko papunta dito sa may mess room, yan po yung makikita po ninyo. So yan, that's all the way to the mess room. So pinapakita ko rin po sa inyo, yan po yung meal na kinakain namin. So that's very specific. That's the meal being served during Saturday. So bali merong touch of Japanese cuisine and some other different cuisine na mga inihanda ng chief cook natin. So pagdating po sa may pagkain, not to brag here in the offshore, kung hindi mo lang kokontrolin yung sarili mo ay talagang lolobo ka ng lolobo talaga. So like sa nasabi ko na in my previous video, ay talagang kailangan mong kontrolin because napakaigpit ng medical natin. So after the meal, so proceeding na po tayo sa my bridge, and we are back to the dynamic positioning operation. So bali pagkatapos ng meal ko dyan ay akyat kaagad ako. So we have at least some kind of a 10 to 15 minutes ahead of my scheduled change of watch for the handover. Mag-handover po kami ni Hepe. Then after that I have the con on the dynamic positioning operator station. So inaalam ko lahat what are the operations taken place, ano na po yung natapos, at we are on what phase sa may current operation. So aside from the written documents ay mayroon ding verbal at saka yung actual na ginawa ng mga previous 12-hour shift. So madali lang din naman kasi mayroong overlap sa mga kasama nating mga Pilipino DPO. They are from 6 to 6. Then sa kanila ay at least mayroong overlap na 6 hours. So mayroon akong mapagtanungan sa kasama ko sa duty, which is my fellow Filipino. Ay matatanungan ko rin siya what are the things that's taken place or natapos na, and what's gonna be the next phase of the work scope na kailangang gagawin in the upcoming shift ko sa may shift ko. So pag off niya, mayroon na naman akong at least 6 hours na natapos. So yung kasama naming incoming DPO ay makapag-share ako ng information na kung ano na po yung nagawa in the last 6 hours on my duty. So yan po yung trabaho natin. That's a day in a life of a dynamic positioning operator working here in the North Sea. So currently we are doing some kind of a subsea operation or subsea installation here in Schiehallion oil field. So yan, kinunan ko na lang po yung Glen Lyon, which we are working here